Is this the Android smartwatch to have? This is the Google Pixel 3, the 45mm bezel. And today we're going to take a deep dive into the world of the Google Pixel Watch 3. There is a ton of functionality that I chose to buy this for, but the main reason is this thing is so stylish and so great looking. Add to that, it is ridiculously comfortable. So what is my first impression? I obviously gave it away. I just think this thing is amazing looking and really, really comfortable. Beyond that, all of it is icing, and the icing is really delicious on this watch. Let me tell you about that. So what can it do? You get all of the advanced features you expect. It is all powered by Fitbit's technology. You know, Google and Fitbit got together, put together the best of both worlds. And so you get all the amazing Fitbit algorithms with the technology that comes with the Google piece. I'm gonna do a little Q&A here. I'm gonna try to answer 3 common questions that people have about these things. But if I miss one, put it in the comments below. Let me know what you wanna know. Maybe what watch did you prefer? Maybe what watch are you looking at? Put it down there below, let me know. Remember to like, subscribe, and follow while you're doing that. The compatibility question is a common one, and I think the answer, I can't give you a universal yes that it is compatible with all Android devices, but if you're on Android 10 or newer, it's gonna work really well with your technology. So this is the Wi-Fi only model. I chose that because I didn't need that LTE functionality. I always have my phone with me, and the calling features are amazing. Actually, I used to not really care about them a lot, and then I've started to develop a real affinity to them because I'll be doing a video like this and the camera will be over there and the cell phone over there, and Nikki will call me and I'm just like, dude, hey, what's going on, honey? Yeah, bring me home a pizza, that's cool. It works so well, you can hear so clearly, the microphones work great. Honestly, they almost never know you're speaking to them that way. I'm now a big fan of that calling function. How does the Fitbit integration work? And that was the technology that was super important to me, right? Because I have developed a little bit of AFib in my later here in my life. Later here in my life, I'm not that old. But I've developed a little bit of AFib, and I really need those accurate records of what's going on with my heart so I could share it with my cardiologist, other medical professionals, all that kind of stuff. And this is top notch, spot on. Listen, I've gotten to the point where I could tell where I got a little fluctuation going on in my heart, and every time it has picked it up perfectly. Obviously, that's not medical advice or anything like that. That's just my personal experience, but really top notch, outstanding. The other thing that I wanted to add is, you know, you got 100 pre-programmed sports or whatever. I bike, I walk. Once in a while, I'll try to run a little bit. Mostly, I walk, I ride my bike, and it picks it up every single time. I don't do any setup, nothing like that. I just go for a walk, and then I get about like 0.4 of a mile. It decides to ask me, it's like, are you on a walk? I'm like, yes, and it like logs that whole last 0.4, and we just keep going from there. Works perfectly. Definitely one of those big advantages to the Fitbit. If for some reason you are interested in it, there is going to be like a link right here below on the screen, or there's always a link in the description. Really helps out the channel. I appreciate that. Shop away, enjoy. You cannot go wrong with this one. I hope this has been helpful. We'll see you next time.